So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can trade the newly listed token before it's going to be listed. Alright, so before we start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the video notification so that YouTube can also push this video to other people so that they can see this video. And also check the video description. You'll see our official Telegram group where we offer our bot services, and also we also send signals over right there. So let me also show you guys. So take a good look of this, which you can see for yourself. And this is the signal I gave today on HUSDT. We have another opportunity here again. It's time to eat big, and indeed we eat big. I myself, I made 1,400% my account today, and this is some of our users who participate on our signal today, and this very particular person over here made plus 632% with the signal I gave, and this is another person over right here which made plus 571%. And also let me also say this is one our official board user which made $18,000 over right here trading with our triangular arbitrage board right over right here, so which you can see for yourself. So he made $13,329, which the board did for him without him not opening trade or looking for the price discrepancies. All right, so let me quickly take you guys on how you can analyze new listed token. All right, so over right here, this is a new listed token that we trade today, and we shorten it, which we made profit, right? So you can see we made a lot of profit today, which you can also see on our official Telegram group. So first thing first, if you don't even know how to even know where is this new listed token, although I did a video about that, which I'm going to put the link on the video description, right? Also, let me also show you guys once again. So which you can see, this is exchange over here, this is DEX, this is futures, this is information, and this is event futures MD more. And this and what you will do is for you to come to the search bar over here. So once you come to the search bar, you allow it to load, and you can see hot search, you can see newest listed, and you can see hot event. So you come to this newest listed, right? So right here you click on this. So once you click on it, allow it to load, right? So let's allow it to load. So it's going to take some seconds before it's going to load over here. So which you can see over here. So we have another upcoming over here. So let me show you guys something right here, what you need to know. Okay, so let me also allow this one to load so that I can use this one for example illustration for you. So you can see the name of this coin is CEWSUSDT, right? So you can also see for yourself over here. So when a newly listed token is you're about to launch coin, so you can see it doesn't have any charts. So there's no way that you can analyze anything. So you cannot even analyze, you cannot even open the thing. So it's going to show only like this, just the way you are seeing over right here. So what you would do, so if you don't have any information or you don't even know anything about this token before, so what you are going to do is for you to copy this name over here. Once you copy this name, that is where our ChatGPT is going to come in over right here. So right, so you copy this name over right, the name of the token, then you paste on ChatGPT. Then you can ask ChatGPT a question and ask ChatGPT like, did this token, did they offer an airdrop? So right, sometimes ChatGPT may tell you, okay, they don't have much information about the token, right? Okay, now if ChatGPT told you, okay, maybe those people, maybe they offer like 70% of their token, offer it as an airdrop, so you just know that that token, my friend, that is not going to pump up, even if it pumped up that minute. So just give yourself some time, the token is going to drop, right? So let me also show you something right now. Let me show you something again. All right, so let me come here, new, right? So all right, so let me also show you something over here. Now you take a good look of this, like this token over here, when it was listed, you can see there was no opportunity for the coin to even pump up. So if you made any mistake for you to buy this coin, right, for you to jump in and buy this coin, you are going to be in huge loss, right? Which you are not even sure if this token is going to rise in the next, let me say, 3 months or 4 months to this extent, which you can see for yourself. So if you made a mistake for you to buy this token here, you are going to be in a deep loss, right? So that is why when a new listed token is listed, so after doing our analysis, like what I told you before, that when a token is on countdown, that is not going to show the chart. So what you need to do is for you to go to your ChatGPT, copy the name of that token, to ask ChatGPT. They should give you more information about that token, right? So even if you don't even use ChatGPT and you see a token has been listed, so what you just do, just for you to exercise patience, right? Just exercise patience to know, even the coin, when it was listed at this level, it was on buy. Just exercise patience that token is going to drop, right? So it's going to drop. So that's when you have to know, okay, I'm going to make profit. Now, when you enter this token, right, you have actually maybe sell or buy, you don't need to be greedy. So my recommended risk management, I say that once it's 10% of your account, right, depending on the leverage that you use, just for you to take your profit so that you can wait for another opportunity right here again. Now let me also show you guys another example of some tokens that have already been listed so that you can understand what I'm saying. All right, so let's go to new over here. So this is another token over here. So I'm going to show you a lot of tokens that have been listed, right? They are, so you can see this one also over here. So this is 15-minute candle over here. So when this token was listed, so it was listed at this level, so you can see what the token did over here, which I also gave the signal yesterday, and we also made profit yesterday, right? So you can also see, so this token was here, was just for trading, doing as if it's going to pump up, but at the end you can see where it is. So let's go to 1 hour daily time frame, right? Okay, now so you can see over here, so this token on daily time frame, this token was listed here. So from here down to here, and it went up again. So last which you can see, tokens went to its level. So maybe if you want to, maybe like, let me buy this coin, let me hold this coin, you also see that you'll be in deep loss, right? So maybe you say, let me buy with expectation that this coin is still going to do well, you will see that you are going to be on huge loss. So the best thing for you to do is just for you to shorten it, right? So just know the good time that you are going to shorten. Okay, another one is that when the token is about to be listed, right? So if the token is listed at this level, right, which you can see over here, okay, so they won't allow you for you to enter. They won't allow you until it portrays, after for trading, maybe at some point they will just allow you for you to enter, right? So which you can see. We also gave the signal yesterday, and we make profit on our group. We shorten it, and we are on profit yesterday, right? So this is what you have to know, that when a newly listed token is about to be listed, that you don't need to analyze. The only thing that you can do, right, is for you to copy the name of the token, to ask your ChatGPT more things about this token. Even if you don't even do any ChatGPT, or you don't even copy anything ChatGPT, just have the psychology that this token is going to drop. But the thing is that, how do you even enter? The good time for you to enter, that is another problem. All right, on my next video, I'm going to perform a live trade again on the newly listed token, so that you can know the right time that you can enter, right? So that you can also claim your profit. So if you learned something in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the video notification, and stay tuned, and also so that YouTube can also recommend this video to others people, right? Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.